In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Trello dashboard. First, open Trello and head to your boards page. This is your home base where all of your boards live and where you can quickly spin up a new dashboard for any project or workflow. Next, click the Create button in the top navigation. From the options that appear, choose Start with a Template. This route is fast and reliable because templates come with lists and example cards already laid out for common use cases. Click Explore Templates to open the full gallery. Here you can browse by categories like project management, team coordination, and onboarding. Think about the kind of status updates, lists, and metrics you'll want to see at a glance. A good dashboard template should mirror how your team actually works, not the other way around. When you find a template that fits, click it to open the preview. Take a moment to scan the lists across the top, the sample cards, and any labels included. Use this preview to imagine how you'll track tasks, owners, and deadlines. If it looks close to what you need, you're ready to proceed. Click Use template to create your own copy. You'll be prompted to name your board, choose a workspace, and set its visibility. Pick a clear, action-oriented name so teammates know its purpose immediately. For visibility, keep it private while you set things up, then switch to workspace visible when you're ready to share. Now it's time to make your edits. Start by tailoring the list names to match your workflow. For example, something like to do, in progress, blocked, and done, or any stages your team relies on. Remove lists you won't use and add any that are missing. Customize the cards next. Update or delete the sample cards, then create new ones for your real tasks. Add labels to group work by priority or category. Set due dates to anchor timelines, and assign members so ownership is clear. If a task has multiple steps, add a checklist inside the card to track progress. You can drag cards between lists to reflect status changes, and Trello will save your updates automatically as you work. Once your structure is set, do a quick pass for clarity. Keep list names short and consistent, write concise card titles, and use descriptions for context. If you plan to invite collaborators, confirm the board's visibility and workspace are set correctly before sharing. And that's it. You've created a Trello dashboard using a template and customized it to your needs. With a solid structure in place, you'll have a clear, living view of priorities, owners, and deadlines every time you open your board.